Assalamu alaikum, this is me Tehzeeb Fatma from my YouTube channel Dr. Tehzeeb Fatma. Today I am going to show you the best sample or pattern of a perfect CV for your examination or for your job applications. CV is also known as curriculum vitae or resume. First of all, you have to write all of your personal details. For example, your name, your father's name, your permanent and current address, which should be valid and authentic. If you do include a photograph, it should be a head and shoulders shoot. You should be dressed suitably and smiling. You can put it on the top right hand corner of your CV. Then you have to write your email address which you are currently using. Then your date of birth, and then your gender, either male or female, and then marital status, unmarried or single, or married or mingle, and at the end your nationality and religion. All of them should be noted clearly because all of these information should be included in the personal details of your perfect CV. Our second step is to write career objective. The main purpose for this segment or portion of career objective in the CV writing is to show your passion and interest for this job. Remember, it should not be more than 2 or 3 lines. You can pick up these career objective lines from Google, ChatGPT and all other available apps on internet. The third step in this CV writing will be your academic qualification. Let's make a table for it. You have to write 4 things in your table, such as level, year, institute or university, and percentage or obtained marks. The fourth and most important point of CV writing is your work experience. Always use action words such as developed, planned, and organized. Even work in a shop, bar, or restaurant will involve working in a team, providing a quality service to customers and dealing tactfully with complaints. Don't mention the routine, non people tasks, for example, cleaning the tables, unless you are applying for a casual summer job in a restaurant or similar. The fifth point of CV writing is skills. If you are a mature candidate or have lots of relevant skills to offer, a skills based CV may work for you. Next step in CV writing is hobbies, or you can write interest and achievements, or whatever you want to write. Keep this session short and to the point. Second last part of CV writing is languages. All the languages you can speak easily, you can write here. The last part is reference. And if you don't want to write reference, you can write references are available on request. Here is the end of CV writing. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.